Use of cactus biogas in vehicles. Those of us who are a few years old remember the movie Back to the Future when one of the protagonists places the remains of a banana and beer in his DeLorean vehicle, as fuel. This is possible with cacti. At the next service station you can buy cactus leaves for your vehicle as fuel or grow them at home. Today there are several fuels that are used for transportation. We have oil, gasoline, natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas as the most traditional. Other systems are being incorporated such as electric cars, with hydrogen, hybrids, ethyl alcohol, and others. It is not a magic solution for the problem of pollution and greenhouse effect caused by industrialization. Carbon dioxide is a low-energy gas and is obtained as a byproduct of various degradative processes, both biological and chemical. It is a molecule from which no more energy can be extracted. It corresponds to the bottom of the well. Fossil fuels generate carbon dioxide when burned. Some alternatives that are raised is to bury the carbon dioxide at great depths, but that only transfers the problem to the future and is expensive. Furthermore, it is a localized solution, difficult to replicate globally. One of the most reasonable solutions is the large-scale reforestation of desert areas. Plants through photosynthesis capture carbon dioxide and store it as support structures in plant metabolism. Biomass has a carbon-neutral balance, which implies that plants act as temporary storage batteries for solar energy, and is released by using this organic matter. They capture more carbon dioxide than is returned to the environment. In this context, burning cactus biogas does not produce more carbon dioxide than that captured in photosynthesis. The process to use it in vehicles is simple. The biofuel generated by anaerobic fermentation in a biodigester delivers biogas at 65% in methane, which, when purified using a gas scrubber, reaches 94%. If we use dryers we can extract the remaining water vapor, use chemicals to deliver odor and compress it at pressures of 200 bar. This composition is similar to natural gas, but cleaner. It does not contain other polluting hydrocarbons. The equipment used is the same as natural gas, both in compression and gas dispensing. In the international market we find small compressors to use at home and power a vehicle, even industrial ones for large volumes. There are conversion kits for natural gas that can be purchased for $1,500 that allow a vehicle that uses gasoline to operate in dual form with the two fuels. In simple terms, a vehicle that uses gasoline that has incorporated a conversion kit is a mobile that does not emit carbon dioxide into the environment. Industrially produced biogas will have a similar value to natural gas. Although in Europe there is a strong growth of electric vehicles and it seems it is the near future in 10 or 20 years, we must also think about less developed countries where electrification will take several decades to arrive, both for electrical infrastructure and for the vehicles themselves. The generation of a green fuel, and its implementation in existing gasoline vehicles today can have a great impact in halting climate change. This technology will create jobs in cactus crops and will clean the environment, even in remote locations. It does not require large and expensive investments. The great challenge is to use existing natural gas facilities by changing the origin of the fuel.